Hey, what's up guys? So this is how you connect your C3 without Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is buy the USB-C Ethernet adapter and then plug it to your Ethernet. So I'm using my T-Mobile home internet, so it gets closer to the car. And all you have to do, just plug it, the USB-C, take the rubber thingy out and plug it to the back, and make sure it click, okay, all the way to the back. Okay, it's really deep in the backs. Okay, but anyway, so here you go. And when you proceed, it will say it will take a while, and your telltale sign is this thing is blinking, it's working. Once this thing is blinking, it's working. Okay, the transmission. So it will say continue without Wi-Fi, and just enter your custom software. So mine is smisco.com fork Zenheim. For some reason, the installer.com AI does not work. Only the Smisco. So this is my Dev C3 NLP. NLP. Okay. There you go, guys. It's very fast. So again, just get yourself an Ethernet adapter. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye.